Hey, hello friends. Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Jay Flores. Today is December the 2nd, and we're going to analyze the pairs that we forecasted last Sunday. The reason we do it is to see if we're going in the right direction. And when I see possible trades, I point it out for you guys so you guys can trade at your own discretion. I am not a financial advisor or nothing close to it. Any trade you will take, it will take under your own discretion. Do your own analysis. Very, very important. Okay, so let's get it started. I started taking screenshots of the analysis so we can pretty much compare them. Let me move this right here. Okay, so we're looking at GP odd in the 4 hour. So we had this going, and I was saying that the market was going to start going in an upwards direction. Okay, so that was, Sunday. We were exactly at what point? Let me see. I can't. Well, you can see it right now. Okay, we had this magic arrow went up, and then down, and then we were waiting for that trade right there. And that was, I'm trying to find the right trade for it. Okay, it was that trade. I just have it expanded way too much. So it was this trade right there that I took, pretty much. And I took advantage of that trade real good. And I was telling you guys to let me move the weight. I had it like that. That's why it look a little bit different. And I was telling you guys, hey, just mark yourself a trend line. Okay, mark yourself a trend line either from that one or it can be from the previous high also, which is this point right here, to the next high, or you can go to the 1 hour. Okay, but I'm not gonna go into details right now around that area right there. And I took that trade and I took good advantage of it. I was able to take this trade down also. So we're getting very good results. So if you were to trade that, at least, say 136 pips, I got like half of this move also. So I got around 100 pips on that one too. So as you can see, I am taking this trade also. But let me show you something. Okay, yeah, I'm taking this trade, but still believe this is gonna have another low. Hopefully not, but I'm already in that trade. You can see I'm negative 14 pips, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna recoup. And I'm trying to go, well, I'm probably gonna modify this, but I am not 100% sure that it's gonna do another low. So that's why I'm trying to go short, because if this thing comes down from here, then it'll go down. Otherwise, I can, participate in that trade longer. Okay, so that one worked pretty good. We also had, let me get another. We also had going GPUSD, and for GPUSD, we were waiting in the 4 hours to come down, and then we're expecting a retracement and another move down. So let's move it out of the way and see how this one works, and make it smaller so we can see where we are at this point. Okay, up. Okay, let me get that picture again. Where is it? Let me see. Or we could probably put the picture right there. Yeah. Okay. So we were at this point right here, as you can see. We're right there. Okay. The market moved down, so we were looking at this point, and then the market broke that high for a few more pips higher, and now it's doing the move that we're expecting for the market to do, which was a move down and then do that retracement. And after this retracement, we are probably going to take it down again. So if you want to participate at this rate, your best move, if you don't have the system, you can make yourself a nice trend line. Make yourself a nice trend line. You can do it even at a 45 degree if you don't have lows yet, but you can base it on that one. The market, I'm pretty sure, is still going to go a little bit higher, and then take it on the way down. Just break the trend line. I mean, this is a 70 to 80% guaranteed that the market is gonna come down. Okay, so how can I have the courage to say that? Is I've seen the market for years, you know, and this is gonna happen. Although I cannot guarantee nothing. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so as for GPUSD, we got two so far. Let's look at GP JPY and GP JPY. We had this picture right here. So let's move to GP JPY. We get that picture again. I think it was this one. Yes. Okay, so this it's working, you know, pretty much exactly what we said. We had that double magic arrow, came down, and we left right here at this point, right there. We were saying the market was going to come down a little bit lower, possibly, but the market started going from that point right away, going up like we were saying, and now the market's coming down. Okay, so you can see it right there perfectly. So another thing that we can see, obviously, some people ask me, hey, does the arrows repaint? Well, they recalculate. Obviously, they're telling us, hey, there is going to be a move in the way down very soon. But all we can do is just prepare, and we time it with our trend lines and with other indicators that we follow the rules, you know, for multiple time frame system. So it is a real good system. You just got to follow the rules, and it'll make you money for sure. Okay, so that one worked good also. That's two in a row. Okay, we got 20%, okay, of accuracy. Now, what else we were looking at? Euro USD. Crazy Euro USD. Let's look at that. And my advice for Euro USD was the same. I mean, still the same. It's like just going to the moon, okay? It's gonna come down any of this and pretty soon. But my advice was, hey, just put a trend line. And if that trend line is not broken to the bottom with confidence and strong, just don't forget about that trade. You know, don't buy it no more. It's way too extended. So you gotta wait until it starts giving you signals to come down. So that forecast was very good, because we say, hey, we don't know if it's gonna come down because this has a lot of power going on and it's still going up. Okay, so that's another one right there. So that was a very good accurate decision. Move this. So we got GA, we got GJ, we got USD. Also, do we check the Auth USD? Okay, we didn't examine Auth USD. Let's look at Auth NCD. Okay, so for Auth NCD, well, I guess I didn't put in line well in that direction in this one, but it was probably what we're expecting for the market we're expecting the market to give us another arrow right here. Let's see what happened. Alt NCD. Okay, let's see, where's the picture? I think it did another low. Let's see. So it's a 4-hour Alt NCD. Okay, yes. So the market did another low. Okay. So I think I did mention that. I was saying the market's going to go down, but we gotta watch the market because we weren't sure if the market was going to make another low. Okay, so that's what happened. You know, it did another low. Now it's gone up after the low. But that's exactly what I'm saying with the magic arrow. Even if it shows right here, it's telling you pretty soon it's going to start returning. So just get prepared. Okay, so we're gonna keep checking at this and see what's happened or what's going on with Alt NCD. So that was a good decision also. So it was not a trade, but I was saying it's possibly that it was gonna do another low, so that's why I'm saying it's accurate call. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got also here NZDCHF, believe it. Let's see, NZDCHF. Oh, this one's right here. USDCHF. Okay. Okay. Let me see what happened with this one. USDCHF. Okay, so we were right here in the 4-hour, and I think the market did also. Did it do another low? Let me check. Yes, the market did complete another low. Okay, it really broke to the down. So the next move, I forgot to erase this. This is from another week's. So I think the market is getting very close to start doing that move to the up. So we're going to be monitoring that one too. Okay. So on this one, let me see. So what was the direction I was pointing? Okay, yes, I was pointing that it was going to turn up. But I keep saying, okay, I keep repeating myself. We need to learn how to time the market, because although we get a signal, it doesn't mean that it's going to turn right there. Okay, we just gotta make sure that we wait for the market to give us the other signals, confirmations, before we go into the market. Okay, so that one was okay. And NZDCHF. Okay, NZDCHF. Let's see what we were doing on Sunday. NZDCHF. Okay, kind of same idea. I was telling you, just mark yourself a trend line, and if that trend line doesn't get broke, you don't go into trade. Pretty much, it looks like it's barely breaking that trend. I have a 4-hour trend. Let me make this smaller. Okay. Okay, you go here, and then the last high was right there. So normally the best way to get that trend is from here to here. It's definitely that trend got broken, and we are in our way down. In the big picture, obviously we got good there's going to be a pullback. It's a PB, okay, and we in our company knows what a PB stands for. Pullback. Okay, so we don't want to trade pullbacks, although sometimes you get opportunities, but we are trying to stay away from those. Okay, so that's NCD, and the last one we're going to check is USD Mexican Peso. Make it slightly bigger, and on the 4-hour we're looking like this. Let me see. We go smaller. And the picture that we took, this was our forecast right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We gotta move 3. And the market did started going out for that point, exactly from that point right there, and it's we're expecting the market to keep going in that same direction. Okay, so that looks like a very good trade for the next couple of days of the. But keep an eye for Friday, because it's NFP, and normally by tomorrow, half of the day, the market is going to start slowing down because of NFP reasons. Okay, so how can you trade this? Get your trend line for the origin of this move. Go to the last, to this high right here. And if the market breaks this move in that trend line, you can take it at least to this point right there. Okay, at least to that point right there. That's a very good trade, and from that point you can start moving your stop loss, and that will be your trade. I like that trade. It's one of my favorites. We'll see if it breaks to the bottom below that level. I mean, it's not valid no more. Okay, thank you very much, friends. Thank you for all new subscribers to subscribing into our channel. This is going to be a difficult month. All Decembers are, but there's still pips to make on the market. Especially have a system like that is going to guide you step by step. So don't scare, don't give up. Okay, if you're interested in getting the multiple time frame system, we have a special code. I have it right here. Let me get it. $20 off. Use the code JF20 and message a direct message to Mr. Timwit Irvin, and he will give you an additional $39 off. His Telegram is going to be underneath the video also, along with the link for you to purchase this system. Get it. I really recommend it. If you get it, just contact me. Let me know, hey, I already purchased the system. You show me a receipt or something, screenshot, and I'm willing to help you, okay, to set it up correctly and to give you a few tips how to trade it correctly. Obviously on YouTube I cannot give up all the rules, what exactly we do to trade it, but you know, it's a real good system. If you're struggling, this is going to simplify it 100%. So get it as soon as you can. Well, thank you very much. God bless you all. See you guys next Sunday. Okay, see you guys next Sunday so we can do another analysis. And again, keep in mind December is going to be, the volatility normally goes down, and the market don't behave like the rest of the year, because a lot of people starts getting and thinking in vacation, especially the big traders, millions of dollars traders, they start taking it slow. Okay, have a good one. God bless you all, and see you soon.